please see this next question. 56 percentage of 225 plus 20 percentage of 150 is equal to question mark plus 109, right? Is equal to question mark plus 109. Now I don't like a number ending with 5. If I double it, it will end with 0, but 25 double with end with again 50. 50 is also, if I ignore that 0, it is ending with 5. That means again I will double. Instead of doubling it 2 times, I will double it. I will multiply it by 4. 225 I will multiply by 4. 225 into 2 is 450. 450 into 2 is 900. 56 divided by 4. 14 percentage of 900. This is how I want my student to solve. 150 double it, because this is ending with 5. If I ignore that 0, this becomes 300. If I double it, this half it. 10 percentage of 300 is equal to question mark plus 109, right? Question mark plus 109. 14 percentage, remove percentage, 2 zeros cancel. 14 into 9 is 126. 10 percentage of 300 is 30. This is nothing but question mark plus 109. Again simplify then and there itself in a smarter approach. 100 here, 100 here cancels. 26 plus 9, it is 56. 26 plus 30 is 56. 56 minus 9 is 47. Answer is 47. This is very important, sir. Making this number ending with 5 to end with double zeros. Yes, if I multiply only one time by 2, it becomes 28 percentage of 450. But this is again slightly difficult for me, because this is again ending with 5. I don't like. If I ignore this 0, it is ending with 5. Again double it. That means you should multiply this by 4 times. You should divide it by 4. Simple, right? Make it 0. Multiply it by 2, make it 2 zeros, divide it by 2, simple. And then cancel that hundreds here. You are left with only units place and tens place. Add it on, simplify. Very fast you can do it. Your question is 12 percentage of, again an original question, 12 percentage of 1885 is equal to question mark divided by 6. Is equal to question mark divided by 6. Now this is divided by 6. If it comes to the right hand side, it is multiplied by 6. So can I say that 12 percentage of 1885 is equal to, 12 percentage of 1885 into 6. What is 1885 into 6? 1885 into 6, I can say it as, I can say like this, 1885 into 6. If I simplify, I will get 11310. I am interested in finding 12 percentage of this. Very easy question. So 10 percentage is 1131, 1 percentage is 113.1, 2 percentage is 226.2. So final answer will be 1357.2. Very easy question, sir. I believe the idea is clear. It's a very easy question. This divided by 6, cross multiply, 1885 into 6. It is nothing but 1885 into 2 times of 3. Sir, why did you make it as 6 as 2 into 3? Because this 5 I should make it as 0. 1885 into 2 is, it is 3770. Multiply that by 3. 3770 multiply by 3. You will get it as 11310. Simple. Easy question. I am not differentiating in my today's class whether it's an easy question or a difficult question. More importantly, my intention is to take the exam questions. If it is easy, say yourself that you will get this kind of easy questions also in your exam. If it is difficult, practice more and make it easy. Now see here, sir. This is yet another question. This is another question which we need to solve it. And solve it slightly by using probably a common basic sense, right? Basic common sense is what I require, because answer options are something which I will keep an eye on, because answer options are the biggest clues. I will definitely not like to ignore answer options in some of my questions, which will help me to solve the questions very fast. Now see here, sir. All the answer options, they are in the range of 596, 597. only one answer option is in the range of 589, right? Now let us find the whole number part initially, right? Let us find the whole number part. This is 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 0 9, 9 plus 45 is 54, 54 plus 580, 54 plus 534 is, it is nothing but 588, 588 plus something. Now that something is nothing but the decimal part, 0.35, 0.43, 0.45, 0.34. If I add all these 0 point something decimal parts, you will maximum get 1 point something. You will not get a 10 point something or 9 point something, because all are point something, etc. So it is 1 point something. So it is very negligible. Decimal part is very small. 588 added to a very small part, it is 589.57. Other options are 597 range or 596 range. Definitely it will not be 588 plus 9 point something if I add the decimal parts. So definitely it should be 1 point something or maybe 0 point something. In this question, okay, it is 1 point something. So answer should be 589. Relatively closer answer options over. See this question. Again, one of the original question. So beautiful question this is. Cube root of 9261 into cube root of 9261 into square root of 6274 2241 is equal to question mark plus 89, right? Is equal to question mark plus 89. Original answer options are 166254. Second option is 166259, right? It is 259. Third option is 166253. Fourth option is 166252, and the last option definitely is none of these, right? Last option is none of these. Now I taught you how to find the square root. I also taught you how to find the cube root. Can I say that cube root of 9264, it is very easy to, within 1 second you can tell that value. Or if I solve by unit digit, any number ending with 1, when I find the cube root, the answer also will end with 1. In fact, 9261 cube root is 21, right? It is 21 into, now finding the square root of this might be little tedious for you. Don't worry, because the examination paper setter also definitely has given this question, not for you to solve it in the entire method, but to use the unit digit concept itself. That is damn sure for, right? Now see here. Can I say that this number is ending with 1? Any number ending with 1, when I take the square root, answer also will end with 1, or answer will end with 9, right? Because 9 square is 81, which is ending with 1. 1 square is 1, which is also ending with 1. That means my second part is ending with 1, or it is ending with 9, right? Or it is ending with 9. Now if I shift this 89, which is on the right hand side, to the left hand side, it becomes minus 89. That means, can I say that 1 into 1 will end with 1, or 1 into 9 will end with 9, and then this 1 is subtracted from 89, or that 9 is subtracted from 89. 1 minus 89 is minus 88. It is minus means it is minus 8. Add 10. It is ending with 2. Or in other words, this is 9 minus 9. It should end with 0. Answer should end with 0, or answer should end with 2. There is only one option which is ending with 2. That should be the correct answer. Question 18.6 into 3 plus 7.2 minus 16.5 is equal to question mark plus 21.7, right? Is equal to question mark plus 21.7. Now everyone observe carefully here, sir. Can I say that 18 into 3 is 54, 0.6 into 3 is 1.8. This is 55.8. But I don't want it to be 0.8 and other things. I want to make it fancy number. Take 0.2 from this person. This person will share 0.2. This becomes 56. And then 7 is added for it, right? And then 7 is added for it. From this, take out 16. So that this becomes a fancy number. It is 40. And then 7 is added. How beautifully you can solve. That means this entire number is nothing but 47. It is nothing but 47. and then for that 47 another 0.5 is there, right? Let me keep it as it is, right? Another 0.5 is there. Now that 0.5 whatever is there with a negative sign, I will shift it to this person because this person is already having decimal. Let that person keep it. So this becomes 47 minus 22.2. Your answer is 24.8. This is how you should simplify it so fast. And this is where your smartness lies, and this is exactly the reason you should keep watching all my previous simplification classes. Especially you cannot afford to miss my first class of simplification, which I took it for 3.5 hours of time in only explaining my students how to simplify all the varieties of squares, cube, square root, cube root, and so many other multiplication techniques in the most fastest method possible. I hope this question should be very clear for you people. Similarly, see this question, sir. Again, same year, same examination question paper. Cube root of 35937 into 1331 is equal to 121 into question mark. Options are 443, 673, 363, 303 and none of these. One of the method of solving, method 1, I already taught you cube root. Cube root means after 3 places put a slash. If a number is ending with 7, answer will end with 3. 35, it lies between 3 cube 27 and 4 cube 64. Smallest is 3 cube. Write down 3. Answer cube root is 33. This is 11 square. This is 11 square. This is 11 cube, right? 11 square and 11 cube. That means 111 is left here. So 33 into 11. So I also told you how to multiply any number by 11. Write down this first term. Write down this last term. Middle term is nothing but sum of these two terms. 3 plus 3 is 6. Answer for this question is 363. This is one of the method to find the value using the traditional method and normal method. Can I also say that if I simplify 11 square and 11 cube, you are left with 11. This is 11 into this cube root can be anything. I don't even mind what is that thing. It can be anything. So answer should be a multiple of 11. Answer should be a multiple of 11. Check out from the answer option. Divisibility rule of 11 is sum of odd places should be equal to sum of even places. 3 plus 3 is 6. Even place is also 6. That is the answer. 3 plus 3 is 6. Even place is not 6. That cannot be the answer. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 is not equal to 7. Not answer. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 is not equal to 4. Not the answer. Either use method 1 to find the cube root and then multiply, or use method 2, smarter approach, where the answer is not answer is a multiple of 11. Only one option is there. Mark it and move ahead. See this question. Another question. 0.5 percentage of 674 of 0.8 percentage of 225 is equal to question mark. Options are 7.066, 9.12, right? 9.12. Third option is 6.066. Fourth option is 5.17. And the last option is none of these, right? Last option is none of these. Now I already taught you methods like this. 0.5, it is ending with 5, so double it. It becomes 1 percentage, or let me keep it as it is. This number is ending with 5 basically, right? This is ending with 5. If I double 25, it becomes 50 again, which is ending with 50. So multiply this by 4. So 225 into 4 is 900. If I multiply this by 4, this I should divide by 4. This is 0.2 percentage. Now 0.2 percentage is 2 into 0.1 percentage. Now why did I split like this? This 2 I will multiply for this 0.5, so that it becomes 2 into 0.5 as 1. So basically my problem now is 1 percentage of 674 of 0.1 percentage of 900. This is my question, and this is very easy for me to solve, sir. It is never a difficulty. 1 percentage of 674 is 6.74 into 0.1 percentage of 900 is, it is 0.9, right? It is 0.9. Now I taught you in my previous, in fact in my first class or second class of simplification, any number multiplied by 9, any number multiplied by 9, digital sum is always 9. Now this is multiplied with 0.9, or it is 9 itself, basically it is 9 by 10 basically. If a number is multiplied by 9, digital sum is always 9. Answer option, digital sum should be 9. And in digital sum you can delete 9. Delete this 9, you are left with 1 plus 2, 3. Total digital sum is not 9, ruled out. 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 7, 19, 19 digital sum is 1, not 9. 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 7 is 13, 13 digital sum is 4, it is not 9. 6 plus 6 plus 6 is 18, 18 digital sum is 9, ruled out. All the other cases are ruled out. Answer is 6.06, right? 6.066 in fact. Or if you don't want to use the digital sum by chance, multiply it. What is the difficulty? 6.74 into 0.9 I need to do, right? 0.9 I can write it as 10 minus 0.1. 6.74 into 10 is 60. Sorry, this is nothing but how much? 6.74. Sorry, not 10 minus 1, sir. It is 1 minus 0.1, right? It is 0.9, right? Not 9.9. 1 minus 0.1. 6.74 into 1 is 6.74. 6.74 into 0.1 is minus, it is 0.674. 0.674. So basically from 6 you are subtracting 0 point something. It cannot be 5. It cannot be 9. It cannot be 7. It should be this one only. Multiple ways. I definitely do not want you to get married to one thing called as digital sum. I want you to crack the examination with multiple methods. But you decide the method which you are comfortable with. You decide the method which you are comfortable. Yes, Nishant. Basically the intention of explaining this concept at this step is to tell you that you can simplify to this extent, greater extent also. Whatever you said is 100% right, because 9 multiplied by any number digital sum is 9, and in the first step itself 225 digital sum is 9. 9 into anything is 9, you can tell it off. But my intention of doing this 3 steps is to tell you that you should reduce it like this, because it might help in some other problem where the digital sum is not 9. Now see this question, sir. This is exactly the way I want you people to simplify. The way I solve this question, not the way you have solved it earlier before watching all these videos. See here, 3251 plus 587 plus 369 minus question mark is equal to 3007, right? Is equal to 3007. Everyone please pay attention for this question. Very beautiful way of solving. Can I say that left hand side 3000, right hand side 3000, katam, it is cancelled. Left hand side 7, right hand side 7, katam, it is cancelled. That means basically right hand side you have 0 right now. Nothing is left on the right hand side. If I shift this minus question mark to the right hand side, it becomes plus question mark. Right hand side nothing is left except question mark. Now how to simplify the other things? Don't waste your time in simplifying step by step, sir. Can I say that in this 251, take out this 51, make it as fancy number. In this 51, give 31 for this person, it becomes 400, right? 369 plus 31 is 400. In this 51, give 31. Similarly, this is 580 right now. 7 is gone. 580 right now. Remaining 20 in 31, you gave 51, 31 to this person. Remaining 20, push it for this person. 580 plus 20 is 600. And this person is now left with 200. How beautiful problem it can be, sir. Answer is 1200. I hope it is very clear for you people, sir. This is exactly the way you want to solve it. 3000 is cancelled with 3000. 7 cancels with 7 on the right hand side. Basically right hand side is 0 right now. Shift this minus question mark, make it as plus question mark. This 7 cancels means it is not 58. It is 58 followed by a 0. It is 580. You have 51 rupees extra. Distribute for 2 people. Give 31 rupees for this person to make it 400. Another 20 give it for this person to make it 600. Now you have only 200. 200 plus 600, 800, 800 plus 400, 1200. I believe that it should be very, very clear. This is exactly what I was telling in so many of my previous classes of simplification also, that please have a habit of sharing, and all my classes will start with one statement: kindly share the YouTube link. I am not joking, sir. Kindly share it. You might think that you have shared it, but you will definitely find that one person who is actually thirsty, and that one glass of water is what he is looking for, and that one glass of water is something what I expect my students to give to that person.